Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make this delicious Neapolitan sorbet, which is an ice cream alternative. It is far more healthier and just as delicious. So the only thing you really even need for this recipe is just frozen fruit. So we decided to use bananas, blueberries, and strawberries. So you're going to want to freeze these fruits for at least 2 hours before using them, and make sure they're cut because this will ensure they're easier to use. So after 2 hours, once your fruit are frozen, you can make 3 different flavors of sorbet. So for the first one, we're just using frozen bananas and honey, but the honey is optional. Go ahead and add frozen bananas and the honey into the chopper and chop them until they're creamy. Once again, the honey is optional. The honey just adds a little bit more sweetness. As you can see, it looks so creamy and so delicious. You can go ahead and store that in a container. Cover and freeze it for at least 1 hour. Now for the next sorbet flavor, we're just going to use some frozen blueberries, a bit of frozen bananas, and honey. Once again, the honey is completely optional. So you're gonna go ahead and put those ingredients into the chopper and chop them until they turn creamy. Then you can go ahead and do the same thing you did before and put it into a container. And freeze it for at least 1 hour. And last but not least, our last sorbet flavor is going to take some frozen bananas, frozen strawberries, and a bit of honey, which is optional. Last but not least, just add all the ingredients to a chopper and chop them until they turn creamy. And you're done, and just as before, store it in a container, cover it, and freeze it for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour, all your sorbets should be ready. You can go ahead and scoop them with an ice cream scooper, and just look how delicious that looks, guys. It tastes so close to ice cream. It's also really good for you. It's filled with lots of nutrients based on which fruits you decide to use. It's just overall a way better alternative for ice cream. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.